What's up guys, and I just had to talk about it. The world's first scrollable sliding screen smartphone is here. Not only that, the same company has shown off a trifold smartphone, and no, it's not Samsung or Oppo or Vivo, this is TCL. TCL is a big tech giant. They are not known for their smartphones, but they are pretty popular for their affordable 4K TVs. They also make bunch of different products, but now they have stepped up in the world of foldable smartphones. This is pretty much everything that Samsung has shown off in their patents turned real life. I don't know if Samsung has working concept or prototypes of these devices behind closed doors, but TCL has shown to the world that this is all possible. First up is the trifold smartphone, and yes, as the name suggests, this phone can fold 3 times. This is like an ultimate multitasking machine. You can have 3 different things happening on 3 different large displays, or probably more than 3 things because the displays are just too big. It definitely looks really futuristic, something that Samsung has planned for as well. It's like a full tablet size product, but super heavy for those who got the chance to play with it. They said it's a cool concept, but it won't get launched anytime soon. But what can get launched is the sliding scrollable screen phone, which is the most exciting of them all. This phone is about the same size as the Galaxy Note 10 Plus when it's not having the extended display out. It's got super curved edges. Now the screen from the side can be extended, which turns it into a tablet. It's super easy concept done with some sliding mechanism. There's a motor implementation that handles all of that, and in result you don't get any complicated design or any crease that comes with a normal foldable phone. It's a proper sliding screen, so you're not getting like a plastic display or anything like that. The trailer for this sliding scrollable smartphone is out, showing how it can help with multitasking. With Android being the operating system, it can assist in multiple applications. Now the hands-on model in the videos is actually a dummy model. TCL didn't send anyone the working model, but they do have it in their headquarters, and it's actually the product that can actually come to the market. It's really exciting to see TCL's commitment to push the boundaries and introduce new tech. Obviously, seeing all this really makes me exciting. They are slowly stepping into the US market, and with this thing, they could actually crack a big deal. If TCL can pull this off, Samsung can also do this. Best believe they're also working hard on their Galaxy Fold 2, which might have a under display camera, but TCL is the first company to show off this first scrollable sliding screen smartphone as a perfect rival. It will be interesting to see when it comes to the market and what the pricing will be. Seeing all this makes me happy because all the patents that we have seen from Samsung, they are gonna come in the future sooner or later. So yeah guys, it's just a matter of time before we start seeing some of the most innovative products, and be sure to enter my Galaxy S20 and S20 Ultra giveaway, as well as checking out my Galaxy Buds Plus giveaway. Link for all of that is in the description. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.